Dear students, Namaste. Let us discuss today's new online topic for the human anatomy and physiology. This is the subject under the diploma in pharmacy first year students. Name of the topic is the lymphatic system. Myself, Mr. Abhijit Ankush Katre, working as a lecturer in KCD's Krishna College of Pharmacy, Karan. In previous videos, we are discussing what are the different systems like skeleton, blood, then tissue, cell. But according to PCI syllabus, this is the next important topic for your exam point of view. So let us discuss what are the different components of lymphatic system. Number one is lymph capillaries, lymph vessels, lymph trunks, lymph node, lymph. Some organs is present like spleen and thymus gland, and some tissues is present like lymphoid tissue. Example is tonsils. So these are the different components of the lymphatic system. Now next, this is the image or diagram of the lymphatic system, where the exactly different components in present in the human body. If you see all the labels which is present in this figure or diagram, we will know what are the exact location of the lymph vessels, nodes, spleen and lymph nodes. Now we are going to discuss the next point is what do we mean by the lymph. The lymph is a thin watery color modified tissue containing fluid which is formed by the passage substances from the body capillaries into the tissue space by the process of diffusion. So this is the very simple definition of lymph, which is present in the passage of the blood capillaries. Along with that, there is a presence of the thin watery color clear modified tissue. Now what is the composition of lymph? It contains 94% water and 6% is the solids containing protein, fats, carbohydrates, urea, creatinine and other inorganic substances. Now what do we mean by lymph node? And here is the very important point from topic lymphatic system. It is a small oval or bean-shaped structures which is present in the course or structure of lymphatic vessels. So this is a major organ or major node which is present in the lymphatic system and which is frequently asked the question in exam also. So what is the structure? It is a bean-shaped containing outermost layer is a capsule, inner layer is trabecula, presence of two tissues, lymphoid tissue and reticular tissue. There are the two different vessels is also present. One is the afferent and another one is the efferent vessels. So this is the structure of lymph node. If you see the diagram, it indicates the bean shape having the outer and inner layer. Inner layer is a trabecula, outer layer is capsule. There is a presence of two tissues like lymphoid tissue and reticular tissue, and there is a presence of the vessels, which afferent and efferent vessels, which carries the blood, which carries the fluid towards the lymph node, and afferent which carries the fluid towards the lymph node, and efferent which carries the fluid outside the lymph node. Now what is the function? It acts as a filter and phagocytosis. Generally it filters the different type of lymphs and reticular tissues, where second function is proliferation of lymphocytes. Means proliferations of the lymphocytes, it indicates the activation of T and B lymphocytes in the lymph node. Now next point is what is spleen. This is another organ which is present in the structure of or component of lymphatic system. What is the structure? It contains dark purple color lymphoid tissue having a 12 cm long, 6 cm wide and 2.5 cm thick. But the weight is the 100 gram. Where it located in human body? It is present in between the stomach and diaphragm. There is a presence of capsule, trabecula and splenic pulp. The presence of arteries and veins also. This is the structure of spleen, capsule containing outermost layer, then trabecula, red pulp which is also called as splenic pulp, arteries, veins, and some primary follicles. Now, what is the functions? Formation of RBCs, storage of blood, and production of antibody, which is very important functions of the spleen. Formation of RBCs, storage of blood, and formation of antibodies or production of antibodies in the spleen. It acts as a reservoir of the blood also. So now the next point is, what is the functions of lymphatic system? In exam, frequently asked questions like write the functions or enlist the functions of lymphatic system. Here is the different functions of lymphatic system. Now first, collects and return the tissue fluids from the intracellular space of the blood. Very important role is returning the plasma protein in the blood. It produces and transports the lymphocytes to the circulatory system. Then it acts as an absorbance and transport the fatty substances to the digestive system. And it also acts as a defensive mechanism, which plays an important role during the filtration of lymph and trapping of microorganisms. So this is the detail about the lymphatic system. The chapter is for 3 to 4 marks in whole syllabus, but the very important is the 3 questions. Lymph node, their structure, composition and function, functions of lymphatic system, and what are the composition of lymph. So I hope you people got all the answers, and the lecture is very easy to understand you. So thank you so much for patience listening. If you have any doubt regarding the subject human anatomy and physiology, you can contact me on this present information. So thank you so much for patience listening. Thank you.